Visit India at a glance and travel to the star destination, the Golden Triangle India, which is a trip filled with on-roading and off-roading experiences. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and those who wish to discover the endless things that one can do on the Golden Triangle tour, then do watch the full video and do give it a thumbs up if you like it. As the name suggests, this Golden Triangle tour starts with the urbanism in Delhi. Let's see what is there for the travelers in Delhi. Pay your respect at the India Gate War Memorial, the Arc de Triomphe of India. इसका निर्माण इंडियन सोल्जर्स के स्मरण के लिए किया गया था जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 में अपना जान गंवाया था. Surrounding the memorial is a vast expansion of well-kept, lush green lawns with trees lined up in perfect symmetry. Check out the remarkable epitomes of power. The Golden Triangle trip includes a visit to the center of power in New Delhi, behind whose walls important decisions are taken every day. This includes the Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Secretariat building. Apart from being politically significant, these centers are also striking architectural marvel in themselves. Discover humble cultural centers hidden away in the vast concrete jungle. एक डोमिनेटिंग पॉलिटिकल पक्ष के अलावा दिल्ली में विचित्र आकर्षक संस्कृत भी है. Some of the prime heritage site of Delhi includes the Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar and the Red Fort. They tell their own tale of strength that echoes through their walls and makes them worth a visit. Treat your ears to a fine Qawwali night at Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah. There is nothing better than an evening amidst live, heartwarming Sufi music and then a dinner of spicy kebabs on the street of Nizamuddin Basti. यदि आप कुछ अनोखे और विशेष अनुभव करना चाहते हैं, then head to the Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah and spend the evening listening to the submild Qawwali session that are sure to touch your soul. Gobble on delicious street food and taste the spicy, tangy flavors of the food capital of Asia. You haven't experienced Delhi if you haven't tasted its overly tempting and utterly flavorful range of street foods. The most intoxicating flavors you can devour on these streets includes aloo tikki, golgappe, kebabs, samosas, naan kathi, besan ke chille, jalebi, kulfi, rabdi faluda and much more that simply melts in your mouth. Embark on a smooth, fun-filled road trip to Agra. Drive your way on the newly built, smooth and spacious Yamuna Expressway while you make your way to the city of love, Agra. Right past lush, scenic views on your incredible journey. Let's see what is there for the travelers in Agra. Let the magnificence of the Taj overwhelm you. दुनिया के सबसे महान आश्चर्यों में से एक और सबसे प्रसिद्ध यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट. This breathtaking mausoleum of white marbles stands today as an undying symbol of love and beauty. Taj is undoubtedly one of the most irresistible places to visit on the Golden Triangle from Delhi. Roam around the massive regal corridors of the Agra Fort. ये जगह and the Agra Fort has a maze-like structure. High-rise walls, a striking amalgamation of red sandstone and white marble work. और इसका विशेष व्यक्तित्व इसे आगरा में यात्रा करने के लिए सबसे पसंदीदा स्थानों में से एक बनाता है. Lose yourself in the crimson interiors of the Fatehpur Sikri. The city of victory or Fatehpur Sikri was the short-lived capital of Mughal Empire. This marvel now prominently figures in the list of the popular UNESCO World Heritage Site and thus also on the Golden Triangle trip itinerary. To witness the true glory of this old fort, one must visit at dusk when its lustrous sandstone walls glimpse in the orange light of the setting sun and the atmosphere turns magical. Delight yourself with some sweet and savory pethas of Agra. They will make you go on nuts. आगरा सिर्फ मुगल एरा के वास्तुशिल्प चमत्कारों के लिए लोकप्रिय नहीं है, बल्कि इसके विभिन्न प्रकार के दिलकश व्यवहारों के लिए भी लोकप्रिय है. Among the best of this is the petha. The best thing to do on the Golden Triangle tour in India is treating yourself to this delicious sweets. After leaving Agra, enter the regalism in Jaipur. Explore the enchanting marvels of the Pink City. There are many forts, palaces and heritage sites in Jaipur that the Maharajas and Emperors left us with and that now sparkle like gems in the landscape of the city. Some of these gems include the Hawa Mahal or the Palace of Winds, City Palace which is now a museum, Jantar Mantar, one of the largest astronomical observation, and the Jal Mahal, a floating palace that turns a striking contrast of yellow lightning and midnight blue backdrop at dusk. Fall in love with the ceilings and captivating history of the Amber Fort. Another striking UNESCO World Heritage Site you will encounter on the Golden Triangle tour is the Amber Fort. Visitors किले के आकर्षण में बह जाते हैं, जिसमें the regal courtyards, temples, शीश महल और शाम को आयोजित होने वाली लाइट एंड साउंड शो भी शामिल है. I would personally recommend the tourists to indulge in a hot air balloon ride at Amber Fort to enjoy bird's eye views of the Pink City and its many opulent places. Run amok on a shopping spree in the showy attractive streets of Johari Bazaar. Shopping is one among the main delightful things to do in Jaipur. One can buy souvenirs and traditional home decor items made with tiny glass pieces and painted in indigo blue, red and green colors. And the famous Rajasthani puppets. The colorful juttis, lehengas, dupattas, traditional jewellery and ghagra choli are also great items you can buy in Jaipur. Shopping in Jaipur is no doubt one of the best part of the Golden Triangle tour. Live the rich, lively nightlife of Rajasthan at the village of Chaukidani. Aiming to preserve the Rajasthan heritage and art, Chaukidani is an all-inclusive package that lets travelers get acquainted with the rich traditions of Rajasthan, its typical village scene and its unmatched hospitality. The place is packed with traditional folk dances, singings, camel and elephant rides, magic shows, puppetry, poetry, dining areas serving a massive lip-smacking thali of Rajasthani traditional cuisines. If you know of any more super awesome things to do on the Golden Triangle tour, then do pop them in the comments below and share your experience with everyone.